Hey y'all, I'm Izzy from Soul Miners Eden. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Bloom Bundle to treat your plants to all the nutrients they need. It's incredibly easy. Bloom contains 3 products: Grow, Feed, and Thrive. Grow should be applied in March, April, and May. Feed is for June, July, and August. Thrive is for September, October, and November. Once you've got the right product, all you have to do is measure, mix, and pour once a month. Measure out 2 ounces of product for each gallon of water you use to water your plants. 2 ounces is about 4 tablespoons, just for reference. If you use more or less than a gallon to water your plants, that's okay. Just adjust the product amount accordingly. Mix the product and water in whatever container you use to water your plants. This could be a watering can, a gallon jug, or a bucket. Then pour the mixture on your plants, being sure to saturate their soil. And that's it. Repeat this each month for 1 year or until your products run out. Now don't worry, you don't have to memorize all this. The application months and instructions are on each bottle right here and on our website. So what happens when you use Bloom? Will your tomato plants immediately produce beautiful, juicy tomatoes? Will your succulent grow 5 new leaves in 2 hours? Will your marigolds blossom instantly and remain flowering forever? Not quite. Nature doesn't work like that. Bloom works to naturally make your plant soil a great place for them to live. Each product makes nutrients more available to plants so they can have a sustainable, healthy source of active microbiology. This is why Bloom is helpful to any plant you could grow. Plant health is rooted in the soil, so our products are designed to help plants from the ground up. With Bloom, you can expect your plants to have everything they need to live a healthy life and produce to their full potential. You could expect full succulents, hardy vegetables, and lovely flowers. If you have any questions about Home by Soul Miners Eden or Bloom, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can leave a comment on this video or email us at support@soulminerseden.com. We're rooting for you.